Hi, my name is Agat from Made by Gootie. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the wattle stitch. This stitch is perfect for beginners. It will make a beautiful blanket or a washcloth. So let's start. This stitch is made using a multiple of 3 chains. So I chained 12 chains and I'm using a US terminology. We will start working the wattle stitch. The wattle stitch consists of one single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, all worked into the same chain or the same stitch. Now we will start by working into the third chain from your hook. So work one single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same chain. Now skip 2 chains and repeat in the next one. So one single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same chain. Repeat to the end of the row. Now that you reach the last 3 chains, skip the next 2 chains and work a half double crochet into the last one. Now I know most of the wattle stitch tutorials are using single crochet at the end of the row, but I found that the tension is much better when you use a half double crochet instead. So now we will turn. So we will start by chaining 1. This chain 1 will count as a single crochet, and we will work the wattle stitches into the chain 1 spaces. So skip the first half double crochet and the next double crochet stitch and work a single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now chain 1 and work another double crochet into the same chain 1. Now skip the next single crochet and double crochet and work another wattle stitch into the chain 1 space. You will repeat this to the end of the row. And when you reach the end of the row, you will have the chain 2 space, the turning space from the beginning chain, and work one half double crochet into the top of the chain 2 space. Now we will turn. And we will chain 1 and skip the first half double crochet and the next double crochet stitch, and we will work a wattle stitch into the chain 1 space. So work one single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same chain 1 space, and repeat to the end of the row, working only into the chain 1 spaces. Now when you reach the end of the row, you will have the chain 1, the beginning chain 1 from the previous row. As a reminder, it counts as a single crochet, and we will work half double crochet into this chain. Okay, so you can see the wattle stitches that are worked into the chain 1 spaces. Now let's repeat one more time. This is the repeat row, so we will chain 1, skipping the half double crochet and the next double crochet stitch, and work a wattle stitch into the chain 1 space. So work 1 single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and repeat in each of the chain 1 spaces to the end of the row. And then work a half double crochet into the chain 1. Okay, this is it, and this is the bigger swatch. Just repeat the last row as long as you would like, and I recommend blocking your swatch or your project at the end. Thank you.